In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Marvel Rivals. DirectX 12 is not supported on your system. Now the first thing you want to do is search for DirectX download. Take the first one from Microsoft, DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Download this one, so just press download and it's going to give you an installer. Just make sure you have that one downloaded, and after you've downloaded that, you want to restart your PC. After you've done that, see if it works. And if it still doesn't work, what you should do is you should come here and search for Marvel Rivals. Find the game, scroll down, and then you want to make sure that you have the correct minimum requirements. If you don't have the minimum requirements, then you probably get this error. Now, if you do meet the requirements and you've installed this one, what you can do is come here, go to Properties, Installed Files, Verify Integrity of Game Files, and see if that works. If that still doesn't work, you want to make sure you don't have anything in the launch options. And then you want to come here and go to Browse, find the launcher, right click and go to Properties, find Compatibility, activate these two, see if that one works. And if that doesn't work, try and activate this one, apply OK, and then see if it works. Now after doing all of this, it should hopefully work for you. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.